Hi guys, welcome to the next edition of my makeup tutorial TGIF look. Yes, that's spelled as L-E-U-W-K, because apparently I don't know how to spell look, and now I'm spraying water all over the face to make it look like I've taken a shower, even though I haven't, and I smell really bad, but you guys don't know that. There you go, this is what it looks like. Now we'll be applying Revlon Fundacels. Again, apparently I don't know how to spell foundation, so I spelled it as Fundacels, and I am spreading this around with a blue egg. Yes, very unconventional, but very convenient, because you can probably buy this blue egg at your nearest supermarket, next to the blue cheese. Okay, there you go, gorgeous. Now I'm applying Revlon concealer. We'll just apply this just below the eyes, like so. There you go. And also the forehead and the nose. And now we look absolutely ugly. We look stupid, and we look like an alien from Avatar. But I guess this is a part of it, and this is what makes us beautiful, we women. I wonder what Kim will say about this. Okay, I'm gonna apply it really quick with a black spoon. Again, we have a blue egg and a black spoon for makeup. There you go. And now, oh, I think I missed a few spots here. There you go. Just a bit more, and voila, I look like an albino. I look absolutely pale, but I feel like I'm gorgeous, even so. And now we'll move on to the powder. That's spelled as P-O-W-D-A-H. Again, not surprised there. I just can't spell anything these days, even as simple as powder. There you go. Moving on, and we're now baking, so it's not enough that we put thick amounts of makeup on our face, but we also want to bake our face, and also want to put icing on our face. There you go, like so. We think we're gorgeous baking and putting makeup on. And now we're moving on to the eyebrows. We're making it fleek. Apparently it sounds very cool. I don't know what it means, so you guys can just Google it. And now we're gonna draw on our face with a pencil, on the eyebrows with a pencil. I personally draw about 4 inches above the hair of my eyebrows, because I barely have any hair, just to make it look thick. I'm actually bald from the eyebrows above. Now we're just combing it around, making it look thick, and put some more I'm drawing on them some more, like so, and making them look like slugs. Yes, I now have slugs for eyebrows, and I love it. I think I'm beautiful with slug eyebrows. There, just a bit more touches on them to make it look even more like a slug, because I feel like it's not even there yet. There you go, just a bit more. Oh, and now I'm going to use a ball pen to refine my eyebrows, because a pencil didn't do much, so I'm going to use ball pen. And then another few fine touches on the eyebrows, like so. There you go, before we move on. And now I pulled out a Scotch tape, yes, because we want to keep our cheeks glued to our eyes, and that's why we're putting Scotch tape on our face. And we're moving on to the eyeshadows. I think the main goal for this part of the tutorial is to make it look like we got beaten up and all punched 20 times. If not that, we want to look like a panda, absolutely, like Kung Fu Panda. He's our idol, and that's our main goal for this part. I'm gonna put some more in it to make it even more darker, like a panda who was beaten up, like that. There you go. And now we're gonna draw a line just on our eyeshadow and on our eyelids with the ball pen. We don't want to look just like a Filipino. We wanna look more Asian. We wanna look like we're Japanese, Singapore, Vietnamese, all in one. Just a whole different breed. And we're gonna move on to the other side. There you go. Just gonna finish off like so. Okay, Some final touches there on the face to make sure that the powder is rubbed in properly on the skin. And now we're gonna put some eyeshadow as well underneath the eyes, so the eyelids, guess, wasn't enough. We also want to put eyeshadow underneath the eyes. There you go, to make us look like a zombie. Okay, now as another eyeshadow. Oh, okay, so we want to put eyeshadow on our cheeks as well, to make it look like we got slapped about 20 times. So I guess black eye wasn't good enough. We also want to look like we got bruises on our cheeks and also our chin and our neck. And now we're going to apply this pink powder on our cheeks as well, to make it look like we got pinched or bitten by a okay, now we just pat around on the camera for a bit, and we've just pulled out a brush that looks to me like it's been sat on. So we're just gonna apply this on our face. It looks like we're applying pubes on our face, brushing pubes on our face, and it's probably King's pubes, but I dare not tell him because he won't like it. There you go. I think I look gorgeous using King's pubes, and just applying a bit more to make it okay. Now we're gonna apply mascara on our eyelashes, like so, because like I said, I only have hair anywhere between eyebrows and above, so this is actually fake mascara. And as I said, we're now gonna apply fake eyelashes on my eyes, on the eyes, like so. And again, this is probably King's pubes, so I wouldn't want to tell him because I wouldn't like it. And there you go, pop King's pubes eyes. Beautiful. Don't you guys like it? I like it. Now we're gonna move on to my lips. I'm gonna paint my lips like I've gobbled up some shit or poo, whatever. Because it's so dark, I want to make it look like we ate shit. There you go. Beautiful lips right there. Now I'm gonna iron the hair out because, like I said, I haven't taken a shower yet, and I want you guys. Okay, there you go. Voila! And here's the final look. This is the look of no shower, 10 inches of makeup, and moving absolutely slowly, looking for my angle, which I cannot find, but we'll get there. Looking to the left, looking to the right, no angle.